Hello students, in chapter circle theorem number 9, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So given in figure ABCD is cyclic and angle CBE is the exterior. So given a circle, a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD whose side AB is produced to point E. To prove exterior angle CBE equal angle ADC. Now proof angle ABC plus angle CBE equal 180. Reason, since ABE is the straight line. ABE is the straight line, so angle ABC plus CBE equal 180. This is the equation number first. And angle ABC plus angle ADC equal 180. Equation second. Reason, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Since in both equation right hand side are equal, so left are also equal. So left of first angle ABC plus angle CBC equal left of second ABC plus angle ADC. ABC both side cancel. So angle CBE equal angle ADC. Proved. Okay students. Now exercise 17A. 17A. Question number first. In figure, find angle AOC. So join OB. Then in triangle OAB, OA equal OB, both are radius. So angle OBA equal angle OAB 30 degree. So angle OBA equal 30 degree. In triangle OCB, OC equal OB, both same region, both are radius. So angle OCB equal angle OBC. So angle OBC equal 40. Now angle ABC 30 plus 40 equal 70. Now angle AOC equal to angle ABC. So 2 into 70 equal 140. Angle AOC equal 140. Now question number second. In diagram, proof AC is the diameter and find angle ACB. So in triangle ABD, by triangle rule, angle ADB equal 180 minus 65 plus 70. 65 plus 70, 135. 180 minus 135 equal 45. ADB 45. Then angle ADC 45 plus 45 equal 90. So AC is the diameter. AC is diameter. Now angle ADB and ACB are in same segment. So angle ADB equal angle ACB, region angle of same segment. So angle ACB equal 45 answer. Now question number third. In diagram, given angle AOB 70 and find angle OCA and angle OAB. Since angle AOB subtend by arc AB at center O and angle OCA at point C of remaining circumference of circle. So angle AOB equal to angle OCA. Therefore, angle OCA equal half angle AOB 1 by 2. Angle AOB equals 70. 70 divided by 2, 35. Angle OCA 35. Now in triangle OAC, OA equal OC, both are radius. So angle OAC equal OCA, OCA find हो गया. Therefore angle OAC 35. Okay students, OAC 35. Now question number 4th first. In given diagram, find angle AB. First we nominate A, B, C, D. So in figure, angle BOD equal to angle BCD. BOD 30 to BCD angle B. So B equal 130 upon 2, B equal 65. Now ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. So A plus B equal 180. Put B equal 65. So A equal 180 minus 65. A equal 115. Now question number 7. In diagram, angle A given 105 and DC parallel AB. So in cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle BCD plus BAD equal 180. BCD plus BAD 180. So BCD equal 180 minus BAD. So 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105 equals 75. Angle BCD 75. First answer. And DC parallel AD. And DC parallel AB and AD is transversal. So sum of co-interior angle. It means angle ADC plus angle DAB equal 180. ADC plus DAB 180. ADC plus 105 equal 180. So ADC equal to 180 minus 105 equals 75 answer. Now again in parallelogram ABCD, angle ABC plus angle ADC equal 180. So ABC equal 180 minus 75. Therefore angle ABC equal 105. Third answer. Okay students.